Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is a quick review of a new app I've started using. This app is called Vlueo. It's a weird name, but it's called Vlueo. Let me just quickly show you about this app. Okay, so this app helps you find videos on YouTube that have ads on them, and where you can quickly locate videos that are in your niche. For example, if I had some iPhone apps or cases or something to sell, I can put the keyword iPhone inside Vlueo and it'll go and search for videos that have monetization enabled and where they have ads, and where you can get your ads placed on those videos. Like it says here, the most targeted traffic ever, which is true. You save money because you only get clicks that are really worth it. I've not really done much in YouTube advertising, but I've seen a few other documents, and I've seen some videos about how YouTube advertising is really making a big difference, saving money on advertising in general. You can read all this stuff, but I'm going to show you the price, because this tells you all about the software. It's got tracking built in, it's got ad maker built in. You contact the creator. They also give you these bonuses, keyword searching bonus, and some other software. Where's the price? Okay, here we go. Now the normal price of this is cheapest one is $99 per month. The full pack lifetime option is $500, and the yearly option is $300. But if you buy it today, or I think before the end of tomorrow, via my link in the description below, you'll get the monthly option for, I believe it's $29, the lifetime option for $197, and the yearly option for $99. And that is a massive saving, and I think you'd earn that back within a month. Okay, it tells you a bit about what it does. It's online software, so it works anywhere. It's all about getting leads and sales. You can drive traffic towards your own videos, towards your website, sell your products. Okay, that's enough of the sales page. Excuse me. Okay, let me get into the software. Okay, the main dashboard. You've got the video search, which is the main area that I'm looking at. Then you've got the creator search. So if you want to do a partnership or promote your products via a particular small or up and coming creator, you can look for a creator this way. You can track your ads, and there's tutorials. Let's start with the video search. This is the main area that I'm looking at. Now I put in keto diet. Let me just put in something like iPhone 11, monetization, any, total views, say over 1,000 views, over 10,000 views. Leave it in the United States. It's advanced. Okay, duration, license, publish. Okay. I'll just do search, we'll see how long it takes. So now what it's doing is going out looking for the keyword iPhone 11 using these filters. So what did I say? Over 10,000 views. So it's looking for videos that have got advertising enabled, and what sort of advertising, and then you'll look at how many views they've got, likes, where it's located. Okay, it's trying to find them. Okay, it's still paying, but I'll just have a quick look here. So this one here, this first one, it's got one ad, an overlay ad. The overlay ad is a little text ad on the bottom. 146,000 viewers, 21,000 likes, 135 dislikes, and 2,000 comments. published. But I published today. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so you can click on here and watch the video. Look at this different one. This one's got a video advert and an overlay advert. This one's got 2 overlay adverts. This one's got 3 overlay adverts and a video advert. Quite a lot. So you see they've all got ads, and they tell you what type of ads they've got. So the way that I would work with this list is I will do select all. Let's finish searching. So how many we've got? 23 videos. And then you go to show URLs, copy this list, and then in your Google Ads Manager you go to your campaign and you go to your selections, and you put in all of these, you paste all these URLs into your placement. Sorry, not selection, placement. Put it all into the placement section, and then that particular video ad that you want to show will only show on these videos. So you're not wasting money having a general area, USA or UK or a massive worldwide audience. You're limiting it to these videos that are related to iPhone 11. They've got a lot of views. What did we say? More than 10,000 views. They've got good comments. They've got a lot of likes. So they're popular videos, and these are pretty new as well. Well, this one's new, but I think there is another option here to choose new. And so again, you're laser targeting your video ad. So after you put it in Google Ads, you enable the campaign, then your ad will show over the top of these. You can manage your ad budget inside Google Ads. And this way you're only getting the best viewers for your ad. You're not wasting money. Okay, what else? Yeah, you can save this list. So yeah, I've got a test list, food. You can, if you download, let me see, I haven't tried that. Okay, download all the CSV file, that's fine. Okay, so you can save the search. So that's the main thing I'm looking for right now. So I'm trying to get into video ads, promote some products that way. Because I'm in a Facebook group, and a lot of the top guys in there are talking about video ads and different software, and someone mentioned this, so I thought I'd give it a go. It's just been released today, so that's a bonus. So anyway, that's video search. The next one is one that I probably won't use until I have a product on sale, is creator search. So again, we just put an iPhone 11. And for this one, you want to go for a mid-range, or depending on what you're offering, a mid-range creator. Obviously, you can't go for PewDiePie or someone like that. You want to go for someone small that you can do a deal with. Just say 1,000 or less, 1,000 average views, minimum 100 uploads, and they say 5 a month. Let's do a quick search, see what happens. So like I said, with this, the app will do all the work for you. It will find the creators for you, and you'll see in a second it will find all their contact details, so you can contact them via email if they've got that available, via Instagram, Facebook, wherever's in their profile. You'll capture the details and you'll have direct links, and you can make a suggestion. Can we make a deal to promote this product? Okay, brilliant. Nothing found. Okay. Let's see. 10. Let's bring it down a bit. Not the best example. One more time. I'm not sure if this is why. Okay, let me try this one. Okay. Okay, I think I'm not sure, I have to check if that's related to that. But anyway, okay, this also isn't the best example. Let me just do iPhone. Last chance, okay, here we go. Here we go, some good stuff. Okay, 0 subscribers, that's useless. Okay, I'm not just setting a good example. Okay, hold on, less, okay, sorry. 1,000 or less. show you examples. Let me just pick any. Okay, there we go. The problem is a lot of these are smaller, that's why it's not showing much. Okay, now it's got some. Okay, here we go. Okay, so for example, this one here, you've got emails. If you click on email, it'll take you to the YouTube page and you can show the email address and contact them. If you click on Twitter, it'll take you to their Twitter, go to their website, go to their Facebook, open their channel in YouTube. It's probably not the best one, but it shows the total subscribers, total videos, views, uploads per month, total views, and when they started. So this one might be a bit better, 120 subscribers. So just say you had a product to promote, you contact them directly and make a deal with them. Now this one I haven't tried yet, video ads tracking, so just put test. So what this is, you can actually track the conversions in your video ads. So if you're doing a video ad, you have to put this script on the conversion page and on the success page. If I get that correct. So here's the conversion page and the landing page. They give you tutorials anyway. You can test it afterwards. Where's the? I can't see it. Okay, build Google ad. Okay, I haven't connected my account. What you can do, let me just pick a video. I think you all know what the ads look like. Now this one here, okay, it's not showing an ad. I have to refresh it a few times, I think. Let me just pick another one. This one here. Okay, you see this one out here, so this is a video ad. It's got the button express and 2 ads, skip ads here.
Hey guys, Everything Apple Pro here, and today Apple announced.
So what you see sometimes, let me see if it comes
this
up.
one.
You see it like this.
Everyone in the past has pretty much had a good experience with it, so don't really worry about that too much. And
this is the overlay ad. So if you use the build Google ad, you can also use this to link to your Google Ads account and create these ads for you. But the video ad, you have to have the video ready beforehand. So if you've got a whole library of YouTube videos that you want to use to promote a product, just use those and promote those Google ads. I've been through that. Okay, and recent ads is recent videos that have just been launched that have. Here we go. So 2911 just been launched. Wow, 68k views already. These are all potential videos that you can look at, and you can put ads on these. A lot of interesting videos. Anyway, so this is my video. So like I said, go to the link below. You'll get it at the crazy discounted price, because even this price is not, considering the amount of money you could make and save. $4.99 for lifetime is not ridiculously bad. If you can get the $197, then you're laughing. Even this one, $99. And also, I'll be giving some general YouTube bonuses. So YouTube SEO, YouTube video blueprint. I'll have a YouTube authority ebook and video course, and a marketing secret video course. So you go down below, press buy now. Press on the link below. It will take you to the bonus page, and order your whichever package you think is best for your budget, and you'll automatically be sent the bonuses. And if you like the video, please just give me a like, thumbs up, and a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.